Welcome to our beginner's guide on AI ethics and responsible use. Artificial intelligence is transforming our world, but with great power comes great responsibility. Today, we are going to explore the rules and principles that keep AI safe and beneficial for everyone. So, what exactly is AI ethics? Simply put, it is a set of moral principles that guide how we create and use artificial intelligence. The goal is to ensure that technology helps humanity without causing harm. It focuses on making systems that are beneficial, safe, and just for everyone. One of the biggest challenges in AI is bias. Because AI learns from human data, it can pick up human prejudices. If the training data is unbalanced, the AI can make unfair decisions, like rejecting a loan application based on demographics. Responsible AI demands inclusive datasets to prevent discrimination. Let's talk about your data. Generative AI models are trained on massive amounts of information from the internet. It is crucial to be careful about what you share with chatbots. Never input confidential information or passwords, because your data could be used to train future versions of the model. Have you ever heard of the black box problem? Sometimes, even experts don't know exactly why an AI made a specific decision. Ethical AI strives for explainability. If an algorithm affects your life, you deserve to know the logic behind that decision, rather than just trusting a mysterious computer output. When an AI makes a mistake, who is responsible? Is it the developer, the company, or the user? It is important to remember that AI is a tool, not a person. It cannot be held legally liable. Therefore, humans must always remain in the loop to oversee important decisions and ensure accountability. Generative AI brings unique risks. First, hallucinations, where the AI confidently states false facts. Second, copyright issues regarding the art and text used for training. And third, the rapid spread of misinformation. Being aware of these risks is the first step in using these tools safely. Deepfakes are a serious concern. This technology can replace a person's likeness in videos with someone else. This can be used for fraud, political manipulation, or non-consensual content. It is a powerful reminder that seeing shouldn't always mean believing in the digital age. So, how do we fix this? Companies use techniques like red teaming, where they hire experts to try and break the system before it is released. They also implement watermarking to identify AI content and create feedback loops so users like you can report problems. To conclude, AI has incredible potential to solve global problems. But to unlock that potential, we must build on a foundation of trust. As we move forward, stay curious about new technology, but remain critical and always use these powerful tools responsibly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.